skeleton here, there's one more connector for this vent here. We have to disconnect it here, and the rest of it is for the airbag, passenger airbag. Let's do that, and then we're gonna pull this out. So this connector, very easy, you just press on this tab here and it just removes, and this is for the airbag, passenger airbag. And just don't forget to loosen up this wire from two supports here, one here and one right there. Here is have another support, okay, for the frame. So let's take this out. That's it. Still at the passenger side, we have another connector to disconnect here. Let's find it. It's right here. This connector is attached on the frame. We're just gonna snap it, turn it left, and it just comes right out. It stays on this hole. Turn it right, turn it left, it loosens it, and just eliminate it from there. Yet another zip tie here that holds a lot of wires that we have to disassemble. It is. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. This zip tie. We have to disassemble. Okay. Let's see it from below. There it is. This one. We have to disassemble it and deattach it from there so the frame can come out easily. On the driver's side, by the way, we have another zip tie that holds a bunch of wires here, and then also wires attached to plastic holders here. So we have to remove this one here and this, pry it out with screwdriver just like this, and it's gonna pop right out. The same wiring harness that goes around this frame here, it ends up here as well. So we have to pull it down and twist it this way so we can loosen the frame and we can eliminate this. We have to remove one in this one, the other one is this one, and then this one will come out freely. So last connectors on the passenger side, the fuse box connectors. We have to take them out before it's released. It gets released. So we're gonna stay here. Instead of disconnecting the fuse box wires, I'm just gonna use T20, okay, to just take out the whole box assembly here. We have a couple of screws, and I'm just gonna drop it down and leave it aside. That's a safer approach for me. Okay. Now that we took off the 3 hoses inside, we have to disassemble the pipes. So one plastic channel that goes to the back for the back fence, disassembled. One on the passenger side, disassemble that, put it aside. One on the driver's side, disassemble that one and put it aside as well. Put it aside as well. Okay, that's fine. This unit should come out now as a whole. And let's not forget, one more connector comes from the passenger side out. You just disassemble it, disconnect it, and let's see if we have more connectors to disassemble or disconnect.
So